Oh, he's dead, child.
Don't.
He's dead. He's dead. He's dead. You see, I kept on hitting it. And thank God for this stuff. It's very strong. He's dead, Sha. He's dead. Come on, he's dead. Come and touch it.
I should touch
It's another client for wrong.
I should touch this.
He's dead. See now.
Touch it. Why are you now touching it fast?
See now.
Touch it slow. Like keep
See
your
now.
hand. Relax.
Come and touch it.
I don't want to feel it.
Feel it.
I
now,
don't
he's
want.
dead. You're still scared. Ah, Jesus. And this people are used to that. They're very, very strong. Very, very strong. But now most people back. Now most people video the snake.
If you say the snake bite you,
the snake, bro, I swear.
if you say the snake bite you, I don't like it.
Don't do that. Don't touch me. That's
You are taking a man. Now most people are going to allow the snake go like that. And if you allow this kind of snake, you go more offspring, more this thing, more baby snakes. Yeah, how God do? Okay, I'm strong. I take meat this snake. Do it take stone at that time? Wipe on for head. God forbid. One that shall never end. I bet video and I no say snake get this estate. But me, I never ever see snake for this estate. But this today will shock me. This snake shocked me as well. This snake shocked me. This was bad. Why should they run? Hey! Hey! This snake must be by fire. I cast and bind you in Jesus' name. In fact, he will go already. Stupid snake. This if you go scot-free. Now nobody for even know say snake this is a state too. If nobody say catch am.
Go throw on this one for body.
No man. The man look like person get high BP. You don't see no sort for hand, they don't sack am from work. Video ram. Nobody knows say snake this is a state too.
Okay, they pass. Just fling them inside the keke. What people do? So as people go use.
You think the keke they see their back. If I reach this corner, you don't go see them again. And I go save the keke they can go. Thank go say we kill them all.
Pastor, no throw a man, no do.
Across too. No. Thank go kill them all.
So from that place, you come down this side. I be road this one.
To that side.
No, this one at the top.
But guy, this snake will fit to them. That's something at least. Red on, sir. Shall we kill snake today? Red on.
Road there.
Road there.
To that place. I won't call this one.
Yeah, cut it. What would you like? Would you like to touch it? Would you like to touch it?
Yeah.
I mean, I will just point out the place for you.
See that girl in the front.
Oh Lord, the Father. There are two ways. It's either I follow here.
If you follow there, you go reach there.
Or you follow that side. Nah, this is the video. Sorry. Oh, man. Huh? I just can't we kill him. They don't die, why they run? I get you. How they don't die, why they run from? That's snake, that's this guy they run from. Yeah. I thought you're man enough.
The guy say, bring waiting.
It's not even man enough.
You should not look at this.
I imagine. Don't worry, it's dead. I'm going to bury it. This snake, this guy, go and take my charm. It didn't shock me. God, my guy is a big snake. This guy here yesterday. Snake. Which guy killed that guy? This guy killed snake yesterday. The guy try. The guy try, Baba, you try. God, this guy's a big snake. small. You try. Follow me there. Don't follow me. You know it there.
Oh, I go cut to. I see him.
There's no let them know snake with this estate. Snake shocking today for the first time. After the first day, snake with this estate. How much they go? There are two ways, either that side or this side.
You go reach that offset.
See, and I see that.